Any observations that you may have with regards to these 3 disbursement vouchers?
Itong disbursement vouchers po na ito ay inapprove ni Undersecretary Annalyn M. Sevilla in violation po nung joint circular na ang nakalagay po ay the head of the agency shall be responsible for the approval of the cash advances.
Sino naman tong pumirma?
Based on these disbursement vouchers po, si Undersecretary Annalyn M. Sevilla.
Again, why is this a violation?
Dahil under the joint circular po, it is the responsibility of the head of the agency to approve the cash advances.
And who is the head of the DepEd?
The head po of DepEd during the period covered by these cash advances po ay si Vice President Sara Duterte.
Okay. There appears a signature in each of these 3 documents. Whose signature are these, if you know?
Ito po ay mga pirma ni Vice President Sara Duterte.
And significantly, Mr. Witness, it says here, Vice President of the Philippines and Secretary of Education. You confirm that, Mr. Witness?
Based on these documents po, yes ma'am.
For the first quarter. The second quarter also is above the inscription, Vice President of the Philippines and Secretary of Department of Education. You confirm that, Mr. Witness?
Yes ma'am.
And for the third quarter, it is signed. Signature, which you identified, is above the annotation, Vice President and Secretary of the Department of Education. Mr. Witness, confirming this?
Yes ma'am.
And what is the significance, Mr. Witness, of the Vice President concurrently DepEd Secretary's signature to these 3 documents?
Sinertify po ni Vice President Sara Duterte as the Secretary of Education na yung cash advances po ay kailangan naayon sa batas at incurred po under her direct supervision.
Can you read from your copy, and it's flashed on the screen, yung particulars nito, above, for the first document, above the signature of the Vice President, concurrently Secretary of Education. Pakibasa kasi,
What particular box po ma'am?
kasi this first document,
What particular box po?
the one that says particulars and is above. Pakibasa kasi ang dilim, hindi ko makita.
Particulars, first quarter CY 2023 cash advance, payment of allotments under the maintenance and other operating expenses authorized under the page 376 of RA number 11936 of the General Appropriations Act, fiscal year 2023, and section 85, page 778 of the General Provisions FY 2023.
Okay, itong binasa mo ng particulars, ito ba ay confidential funds?
Hindi po
Or
naka-indicate
relating
dito.
to confidential funds, yung certification na to?
Hindi po naka-indicate dito na yung kanilang disbursement ay for the confidential fund of the DepEd.
Okay. Kung alam mo, what is it for?
Based on this document po, ang nakalagay ay payment of allotments under the MOOE.
Anong ibig sabihin ng MOOE? Ano ibig sabihin nun? Kung hindi ito confidential funds, ano naman itong MOOE na pinaggamitan ng pera na confidential funds ng Vice President cum Secretary of Education?
Yung MOOE po kasi kasama yun doon sa kanilang regular funds.
Regular funds.
Yes, ma'am.
Ang regular funds ba, paki-explain lang sa akin from a layman's point of view. Ano ang regular funds at ano ang confidential funds?
Yung regular funds po ng agency, yun yung kanilang pondo na ginagamit nila for their operations and yun po. While yung confidential fund po, ito po yung specific lump sum ng agency which is to be used for their confidential operations.
At pareho rin ang annotation dito sa second disbursement voucher at third disbursement voucher, Mr. Witness, na ito ay patunay na dinisburse ang mga pondo para sa confidential funds para sa operational expenses.
Pwede pong paulit po ng tanong.
So ang sinasabi ko, I will reform. So itong disbursement voucher na nakalagay dito, sinabi mo, when asked, you explained that this appears to be, ito nakalagay dito, a liquidation ng expenses na hindi naman para sa liquidation ng confidential funds. Kasi confidential to ng regular funds niya, tama?
Disbursement voucher pa lang po ito. Disbursement voucher pa lang po itong
Disbursement voucher,
Document.
disbursement voucher na sinasubmit para liquidating document para sa confidential fund, Mr. Witness?
It is one of the documents po submitted to support the liquidation.
At you confirm na nakalagay dito, operational expenses.
Based on these documents po, maintenance and other operating expenses.
Maintenance and other operational expenses. Yung maintenance and other operational expenses ba ay nasa listahan kung ano ang allowed sa joint circular na expenses para sa confidential funds, maintenance, and other expenses. Kasama ba yan sa tinatawag mong exclusive listahan ng pwede paggamitan ng confidential funds, Mr. Witness?
Pag sinabing maintenance and other operating expenses po, wala po siya specifically dun sa enumeration ng item 4.8.
At sinabi mo, exclusive. Pag wala sa listahan, bawal. Tama, Mr. Witness?
Under 4.8 po.
Under
Yes,
4.8 of the circular. The same observations, Mr. Witness, for the second and third quarter. Ang nakalagay dito ay regular funds, maintenance, and MOOE, hindi confidential funds. Based on your documents, for the second and third quarter, Mr. Witness.
Based on these documents, nakalagay po MOOE and not confidential fund.
Okay.